The 2024 KTM 125SX is a serious contender in the 125cc race fuel-injected revival, but the entire motorcycle also benefits from class-leading developments at every end. Boasting accolades such as being the leader in two-stroke motocross innovation in the modern era. Performance. The KTM 125SX has always represented the very best of unsurpassed power and lightweight construction. The simplicity and low maintenance cost of the two-stroke motor have made it a favorite amongst motocross riders for generations. For 2024, the KTM 125SX enters with an overall engine weight of only 17 kilograms. Electronic fuel injection. Premix gets a remix across the two-stroke KTM SX range with electronic fuel injection setting the standard. Now there's no more fiddly jetting setup pre-race. KTM EFI and reed valve case design, you can be guaranteed of laying down optimal power at any altitude, all of the time. Selectable maps. The 2024 KTM 125SX features a map select switch allowing the racer to switch between two engine maps. Frame design. Central double cradle type 25CRM04 steel. Front fork. WPX-ACT fork. 48mm air-type WPX-ACT front fork with a split damping function provides all the confidence you need to attack the track. Rear suspension. WPX-ACT shock absorber provides unmatched consistency lap after lap, thanks to low-friction SKF linkage seals. Ergonomics. The 2024 KTM SX and SXF range feature a rider triangle, providing improved knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs, with improved gripping surfaces all around. The plastics work to expel mud buildup in wet, muddy conditions with a flatter seat profile and high-grip seat cover providing exceptional rider movement and control. The polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe further enhances rider feel and feedback.